AWS Glue. It is a serverless data integration service that makes it easy to discover, prepare, and combine data for analytics, machine learning, and application development. AWS Glue provides both visual and code-based interfaces to make data integration easier. AWS Glue Actors. Users can easily find and access data using the AWS Glue Data Catalog. Data engineers and ETL, that is, extract, transform, and load developers, can visually create, run, and monitor ETL workflows with a few clicks in AWS Glue Studio. Data analysts and data scientists can use AWS Glue DataBrew to visually enrich, clean, and normalize data without writing code. With AWS Glue Elastic Views, application developers can use familiar structured query language or SQL to combine and replicate data across different data stores. AWS Glue consists of a data catalog, which is a central metadata repository, an ETL engine that can automatically generate Scala or Python code, a flexible scheduler that handles dependency resolution, job monitoring, and retries. It also consists of AWS Glue DataBrew for cleaning and normalizing data with a visual interface, AWS Glue Elastic Views for combining and replicating data across multiple data stores. Together, these automate much of the undifferentiated heavy lifting involved with discovering, categorizing, cleaning, enriching, and moving data, so you can spend more time analyzing your data. Use Case 1. Build event-driven ETL pipelines. AWS Glue can run your ETL jobs as new data arrives. For example, you can use an AWS Lambda function to trigger your ETL jobs to run as soon as new data becomes available in S3. As new data gets uploaded in S3 bucket, it invokes a Lambda function, which triggers one or more ETL jobs. Glue will transform and load the data into target data sources such as Redshift or S3. Use Case 2. Create a unified catalog to find data across multiple data stores. You can use the AWS Glue Data Catalog to quickly discover and search across multiple AWS data sets without moving the data. Once the data is cataloged, it is immediately available for search and query using Athena, EMR, and Redshift Spectrum. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.